Hey there guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Unique Academy which is located in Mumbai, and to review this academy I'm going to be visiting a website called blog.education. That is because blog.education is a very trusted website. They've been around for 11 years. They are one of the oldest websites to give honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center in India. Not only that, they also give you consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justdial and Sulekha, so that you don't have to go and visit all of those different websites and spend hours researching the right institute for you. Blog.education does that for you. Our education, after doing a lot of research, has given the Unique Academy a very average rating of 5.4 out of 10. This is an overall rating. Our education has also rated this institute on different parameters. As you can see here, their past year results, their infrastructure, batch size, faculty quality and their fees. Everything has been given a very average rating. Some of the pros of this institute are that they provide you with a demo lecture, because all of these parameters can even be subjective. So until and unless you go and attend a class, you won't exactly know how good an institute is. So a demo lecture, when an institute offers demo lectures, I feel like that academy is quite credible. Apart from this, the institute also has good infrastructure and their batch size is not very large. According to student Google reviews, the Unique Academy provides, so they provide 3 to 4 toppers every year. Some of the cons of this institute are that, according to Google reviews, this institute is not that popular and not that good either. A student who studied in this institute says that the staff here is extremely helpful and intelligent. Not only that, they teach students and they make concepts very easy and interesting to study. And they are the best coaching for UPSC and MPSC. This is what a student or an alumni from the institute is claiming. So this is quite good. Another student is saying that they don't provide you with explanation for their answer sheets, for your question papers and all that. They don't provide you with explanations for answers, and that's why the test series over here is not good. Features of this institute include they concentrate on training the students more to understand the concepts rather than memorizing the subject. So they also focus on the the things that you should not just mug up everything, that you should also understand all of the concepts. And they also teach the students to develop and comprehend the concepts instead of writing the same content in the study material. Summarized training, complete syllabus coverage, test series and model paper solving session. They have all of that. They have exclusive concentration improvement tracking of every student, presenting precise facts as demanded. The institute is located in the hub of Pune and charming environment in the classroom. They claim to have a very charming environment in the classroom. They also provide you with important notes and reliable study material. These are the contact details of the Unique Academy. They are located in Thane West in Mumbai. This is their contact number and their website, theuniqueacademy.com. I hope this review was helpful to you all. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with all of your friends who are IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.